everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to use Discord onboarding setup for new servers. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is head over to your browser of your choice, and then what you'll have to do is head over to Discord in the search bar of your browser. Once you've searched for Discord, simply go or enter and then tap on Discord. From here, if you have not logged in, you will have to log into your account before you try and do something else. Another thing that you must remember is to head over to the three dots at the top right of your screen, scroll down and make sure to turn on desktop site. Once you've opened up desktop site, tap on open Discord in your browser. From there, what you can do is head over to server settings and then scroll to the community section and then enable community. Once you have done that, go back to your server settings and tap on onboarding under the community tab, and then what you can do is select at least 7 default channels with 5 open for messaging and add up to 5 role assigning questions for new members. You can then save your changes and the onboarding toggle will be on. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.